This section of the training lists the steps to playing back recorded video. Click the Instant Playback option on the live view of one of the cameras, and the NVR will begin to play back the last 5 minutes recorded on the NVR. Right-clicking on one of the live view channels and selecting All Day Playback will begin to play the last 24 hours of recorded video for that camera. You can also play back by specific time using the Playback option in the menu. The first field on this menu is used to select the cameras the NVR will use when searching for an event. The second field shows the start and end times for all the videos recorded on the NVR. Next is the Record option. This allows you to select the type of event the NVR will look for when searching for videos, such as videos that were recorded continuously, on motion, or manually. Next is the field type. The options in this menu are locked and unlocked. More about this feature can be found in the user manual. The start and end time and date lets you set a time frame in which the NVR will look for a particular event. The Detail button on the bottom is a quick way to see what cameras are recording continuously, as well as if motion has been detected on the cameras for a 24-hour period. The Previous and Next buttons on this menu will go back to the previous day or to the next day. The Playback button will start playing the events for the search criteria entered in the previous menu. The Playback window contains several options. The colored bar at the top of the Playback toolbar indicates if recording is continuous or motion. The next is a scroll bar that allows you to quickly move to different parts of the video. The first icon on the Playback toolbar is used to mute or unmute audio if a microphone is connected to the NVR. The second icon is used to create a video clip of a particular event. To create a video clip, use the scroll bar to select the start time and click the scissor icon. To end the video clip, scroll to where you would like the end of the clip to be, select the scissor icon once more, and click the stop button to save the clip to a flash drive. The next 3 buttons are used to tag events in the video. You can find out more about this option in the instruction manual of the NVR. In the center of the Playback toolbar is the player controls. The first option is the play reverse. This will play the video at normal speed, reversed. Next is the stop button. This will stop the playback. The play and pause button is next. This is used to play and pause the video. The following 2 buttons are used to jump back or forward on the clip by 30 seconds. The last 2 buttons control the fast forward and rewind for the clip. Similar to the buttons on a DVD player, the more times you click the rewind or fast forward, the faster the NVR will rewind or fast forward through the video. The next icon on the Playback toolbar will close the player and bring you back to the Playback menu. Next is the Hide icon. This hides the Playback toolbar so that you are able to see the video in full screen. The final button on the Playback toolbar closes the Playback window and brings you back to the Playback menu. If you want to see only the events that were triggered by motion, click the Event option on the sidebar. Click the drop-down menu for the event type and select Motion. As before, you can select a particular time frame you would like to search for events. Once again, you can play back one camera or multiple. As you can see, the Playback window is the same as it would be for normal recording and has all of the same features. The next option on the left side of the Playback menu is used to search for events based on tags that have already previously been set. The final option in the sidebar is used to quickly jump back to the live view. This icon is here on all menus by default. This concludes this section of the training.